know it all.
Hey guys, what's up? This is me Sudeep and you're watching Know It All. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to download, install and configure Apache Tomcat in Eclipse IDE on your Windows 10 operating systems. But before that, if you are new to this channel and looking for some useful software installation videos, programming tutorials or projects, then please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us. And also, as it takes a lot of hard work to deliver videos like this, so if you like the video, press that thumbs up button and please drop a comment. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now, talking about the installation and running of Tomcat in Eclipse, there are two prerequisites. One being you need to have Java JDK installed on your systems, and the other that in particular you should have Java JEE version of Eclipse installed instead of any other. So for that, open your browser and just type in Eclipse Oxygen, as Oxygen is the latest running version of Eclipse, and go to the site and download it. After downloading, click on the setup and this window will pop up. So in here you need to select the Java EE version, not the Java developers or any other. And if you don't know how to do the installation, I'll drop a card of my last video of installation of Eclipse over here, and just do not forget to click on this instead of any other. So we'll continue with the installation of Tomcat now. For that, open the browser and just type in Apache Tomcat, just Tomcat I would say, and then over here go to the official website, and at the left you will see the available versions, out of which Tomcat 9 is the latest running version. So click on it. Sorry, talking about this. Click on this, and now in here is the thing that we need to do for installation. So click on it and it will start the download, but I already have a file, so I do not prefer downloading it again, so I'll open that in case. Now double click on it to run the setup. Now click on yes, and this is the window of installation for Tomcat. Click on next. I agree. Now check all of the boxes and click on next. Now here is the important part. You might be having some more servers that are running your computer, so you might not have free ports on these particular numbers, so you could change them accordingly. And if you don't know that if these ports are free or not, then you could simply continue with the procedure, as we can change the ports afterwards also. So click on next now, and this is the specified path for Java IC. Click on next. Now, as I prefer keeping all my softwares in one directory, I'll do the same with this and keep it here. Just typing in Tomcat 9.0 and click on install. So it is a small setup, so it won't take long for installation, and it is done. So we'll click on finish now. So that was the installation. Now we need to configure it. For that, we need to first open Eclipse JE Oxygen. So double click on the shortcut, and now this Eclipse launcher window has popped up. So if you do not want to select the workspace again and again, just simply click on use this as default and do not ask again, and continue to launch, and it will launch the application now. Now, after the application is up and running, the first thing that you need to do is click on Windows option. Now, in show view, just go and select servers. So that will bring up a server tab over here. And if you do not see the server tab in here, just click on other and type in server, and you would easily see that and you can click on it. After the server tab is visible, click on the no servers are available and select the Tomcat version. Now click on next, and then simply if you want to add, then you could select any of it. Otherwise, just remove all and just finish. Now double click on it, and the thing that I was talking about, the changing of port numbers, can be done from here. So if you run the application and it shows that the current port is in use, then you could change it and put any number of your choice, that which is feasible, I mean, like 8015 or 8025. But in my case the port numbers are free, so there is no need for that. Just select the second option in here and save this by using Ctrl S and just close it up. Now just right click and see the properties. In here click on switch location and click on apply and close. Now just right click and click on start and wait for the server to start. Now the next thing that you need to do is check whether the server is up and running or not. So for that, firstly let's wait for the server to start. And as you can see, the server has started. Now go to your browser and just type in localhost colon 8080 or whichever may be the port number in your case, and click on enter. So that was all about the installation and configuration of Apache Tomcat in Eclipse IDE. So if you have any questions or queries regarding the installation, or you face any kind of difficulty in configuring the server, so you could ask me in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment so that I can know that the content that I am preparing is well enough. So that's it for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.